Themed events are popular in aged care, and studies have shown group events help people feel connected to community, promote socialisation, and generally increase enjoyment and feelings of well-being in the elderly. As part of Unilever Food Solutions' Refresh initiative, we have developed a library of themed event ideas to help aged care chefs create engaging activities for their residents. To explore our event ideas, go to ufs.com and choose Chef Inspiration from the main menu. Navigate to Aged Care Refresh and choose Themed Events from the sub-menu. We have a broad range of events covering seasonal events such as Christmas and Easter, special occasions like Mother's Day and Father's Day, and activities like games nights, movie nights and picnics. There are also food-themed events such as Mexican or Italian. Each event inspiration article will give you tips for organising the event, ideas for decorations and entertainment, as well as meal ideas and recipes. You can also download, print and display colourful menu templates and table talkers to add to the atmosphere of your event. Don't forget to check the refresh section of our website regularly, as we're always adding new event ideas and inspiration. Add ufs.com to your bookmarks folder so you can easily come back to it whenever you need to find products, recipes, industry news, event ideas or inspiration for aged care menus.